In this video, I'll be solving the first part of the first problem of UPSC Civil Services Mains 2018 Statistics Paper 1. So we have a bag with 3 coins in it. One of them is a fair coin, but the others are biased trick coins. So when flipped, the 3 coins come up with heads with probability 0.5, 0.6 and 0.1 respectively. So if one of these coins is picked at random and flipped 3 times, we need to find what is probability of head, tail, tail. And assuming that this head, tail, tail occurred, we need to find the probability of having chosen a fair coin. So if we consider the 3 coins, the probabilities are 0.5, 0.6 and 0.1. And probability of each coin is 1 by 3. So probability of C1, probability of C2 and probability of C3 will be 1 by 3. And the coin is flipped 3 times. So like for a coin, in order to get like head, tail, tail, so the probability is P into 1 minus P into 1 minus P, which is P into 1 minus P whole square. So for 3 coins, if we have to find probability of head, tail, tail, by using total probability theorem, this would be probability of C1 into probability of HTT given it's from coin 1 plus probability of C2 into probability of head, tail, tail given it's from coin 2 plus probability of C3 into probability of H tail tail given it is from C3. So that is nothing but 1 by 3 into, so from coin 1 it will have a probability that 0.5 into 1 minus 0.5 whole square plus 1 by 3 into 0.6 into 1 minus 0.6 which is 0.4 whole square plus 1 by 3 into 0.1 into 0.1 minus 0.1 which is 0.9 whole square. So that is nothing but 1 by 3 into 0.125 plus 1 by 3 into 0.16 into 0.6 which is 0.096 plus 1 by 3 into 0.081. So that is nothing but 1 by 3 into, so 125 plus 96 which is 211 plus 81 which is 302. So 1 by 3 into 0.302 which is somewhere around 0.1006. So that's the probability of, or like we can write it in fractions, which would just be 151 by 1500. So that's the probability of head, tail, tail. So now like assuming that head, tail, tail occurred, we need to find the probability of having chosen a fair coin. So probability of fair coin given head, tail, tail. So that is nothing but probability of fair coin. So by using Bayes rule, so that will just be head, tail, tail given it's a fair coin divided by probability of head, tail, tail. So that is nothing but 1 by 3 into, so probability of head, tail, tail given fair coin. So that is from coin 1. So basically they are asking coin C1. So that is nothing but probability of head, tail, tail given C1 is 0.5 into 0.5 whole square divided by 151 by 1500. So if we simplify this would just be 1 by 24 because like 0.125 is 1 by 8 into 1 by 3, 1 by 24 divided by 151 by 1500 which is 125 by 302. So this would be the probability of a fair coin, probability of having chosen a fair coin given that head, tail, tail occurred. So by using Bayes rule, we will get this probability as 125 by 302. And probability of head, tail, tail by using total probability theorem, we are getting it as 151 by 1500. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.